Hey guys, Erik Mattsson here. I want to talk to you today about how we're going to install fully vented soffits and a ridge vent on this new roof we're doing to make sure that the attic and the roofing system can breathe and it has equal amounts of intake and exhaust. Let's touch on the intake method of that. So we're going to be removing the soffits that this customer has now, and we're going to be installing fully vented soffits. That's going to allow air into the attic and into the roofing system, which is what you want. You want air to be able to intake into your roof so that it can facilitate the ventilation and the movement of air in the roofing system. And then we're going to complement that by installing a ridge vent up top. Come on and let me show you what's going on with that. So when we install these vented soffits on the underside of the roof, so that's going to be directly behind the gutters here, that's going to allow air into the attic. So you have air intaking into the attic. How do we release that air? How do we let that air exhaust out? We're going to install at the top of the roof here, we're going to install a ridge vent spanning the length of this roof. What that involves, we have to cut a 3-inch gap at the ridge of the roof, at the peak of the roof. That's going to let out that hot air. So when we have the vented soffits on either side of this roof letting in that air, if we cut the ridge vent, now that air is a way to exhaust out of the house. We don't want to leave that opening exposed. We're not going to cut a 3-inch gap at the peak of your roof and leave it. That will be covered up by the actual ridge vent product. We use the Atlas TruRidge. It's a 4-foot piece of reinforced plastic. That's going to sit on top of that opening. So that way the air can exhaust up and then out through the sides of the ridge vent. But it's covered, it covers up the gap while sitting on top of it. And then we're going to put ridge cap shingles on top of that to help the ridge vent blend in. So this is a great solution for this house. They were having ventilation issues, they were having condensation issues in their attic, and with all those resulting negative effects. By allowing the air to get in at the soffits and exhaust out through the ridge vent, that's going to eliminate those problems. They're going to notice increased energy efficiency. They're going to notice an increased roof lifespan, and there's not going to be any funky stuff going on with the roof decking. So we try to make ventilation a part of every single roof replacement that we do. It's so important. So let's improve this roof's ventilation so the roof can last longer. Erik Mattsson, Mattsson Roofing.